cigarette. Like right now. For a sign, for a hand, for a pause. The grinder replied with its iron jaws. It ground up my father, my mother, my friends. Now I'm just powder, but the machine has no end. You're free.